Mom, careful, you're about to kick Cricket.
Okay, I'm ready.
Cricket, show them how
This
to
is
do
a puppy's first time outside
One at a time.
on the grass. Nah,
Cricket, show them how to do it.
there's safety in numbers.
Cricket's like, eh.
Been there, done that.
Yeah. She'll have that stuff.
Bring her over here.
No grass, you.
It's puppy's first time outside. And maybe, oh, she's gonna poop.
Okay, puppy's first poop outdoors.
Okay.
Cricket.
Right on the sidewalk. Thank you very much.
Oh boy.
And there's Zoe.
Zoe has to come. Oh, Zoe. Is that a bird?
Is this too much for them to have grass and another dog?
Mm-mm.
It's cold. It's just something else.
Zoe,
Look at that yummy caramel.
sit.
Hey,
Cricket's like, no.
buddy, look. See, look at Cricket. Oh,
Puppy,
wow.
puppy, there he goes.
Holy crow there, Cricket. That's a
Dump.
yeah.
Come here, girlie.
All he's stuck. Yeah, Buddy's got it. Oh, he's like, I don't like the way this feels. I'm like, I don't like it too.
There's Holly. She's moving.
All right.
Hey, Zach, if you can come videotape them, I'll get an X pen and put it out here. Well, your hands are right in front.
I'll be responsible for keeping them
She's
away.